All right, guys. Hello and welcome to our affiliate masterclass lesson number 5. So today we are going to be looking at another lesson of our affiliate masterclass course that we are offering free right here on Mindset Hustle YouTube channel. So if this is the first time you are coming across the affiliate marketing masterclass, then please do well to go to our channel page and watch the previous recording. So this is the playlist here. If you go to our channel Mindset Hustle, you go to the playlist section, you see this playlist called affiliate marketing. So you can be able to watch the first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson as well before coming to the fifth lesson. It is important to watch all these lessons because each lesson is connected to the previous lesson. Okay, so you need to understand the previous lesson to understand this particular lesson. So enough of the talking. If this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Also like this video, share it, guys, share it. That's all we ask from you. We don't need your money. Don't, no, this is free. We are giving it to you for free. It's all up to you to learn everything that we are teaching you and practice it. And all that you need to do is to subscribe, share the video, like it, and leave us a comment in the comment section. All of you just comment hashtag affiliate marketing masterclass. All right. So let's begin with today's lesson. As usual, let me share my white board. All right. So today we'll be looking at how affiliate marketers get paid. Okay, how affiliate marketers get paid. Okay, that is what we'll be looking at today. A lot of people will be wondering, okay, so how do I get paid? Okay, so how affiliate marketers get paid. That's what we'll be looking at today. And I'll explain how this works, and then I'll give you the 5 ways in which you can get paid. So do not forward this video, watch it step by step, watch the full video to get the entire concept because I'll be explaining everything into details. All right, so now one thing you need to know is affiliate marketers make money when their followers or people they are advertising or recommending the products to patronize or buys the product or sign up to a service or click on a specific link depending on the type of affiliate method they are affiliate program they are joining. Okay, so once they do that, what happens is that the end commission from the merchants that are organizing the program, and these commissions ranges from 1% to about 25%, or sometimes even higher than that. All this is dependent on the merchant that is running that particular affiliate marketing program. Okay, now note that the larger your following gets, the more money you make. Okay, so the larger group of people you reach with your recommendation, your advertisement, your content, your blog post, your social media post, and all those things, the higher amount of money you make. Okay, in fact, there are affiliate marketers that make 6 figures a year. Okay, and then we also have others that makes a few hundred bucks. Okay, a few hundred bucks per month. Okay, so whilst others make 6 figures a year, so some make as much as 6 figures, okay, per year, and others also others also and and oh, please, and few bucks, okay, few bucks per month. All right, so some few $100, let me put it, few $100 per month. All right, now there is this guy I follow. He's called Ryan Robinson. If you have ever studied affiliate marketing before, you should know this guy, Ryan Robinson. Okay, so this guy is one of the big bloggers that I follow, okay, and learn from a lot. Now, this guy makes over $17,000 per month from affiliate marketing alone. Okay, from affiliate marketing alone, he makes us over $17,000. So you can imagine that multiplied by 12. So in a year, you can see that he's making out 6 figures. Okay, now you can check his site out. This is his website. You can check it out and learn more things. Okay, Ryan Robinson. Okay, you can check his site. You can go here where they say learn and learn some few things about blogging, business, freelancing, hosting, podcast, and writing. Okay, so that is enough for the introduction. Now let's look at the following 5 ways affiliates get paid. Okay, so now let's jump into the main thing where we will look at, let me clear these things first. All right. So 5 ways that affiliates get paid. Okay, so that's what we are going to look at. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the pay per sale. It's called what? Pay per sale. Okay, so I'll explain each and every one of them. So let me mention them first. Okay, let me just do the explanation and then we mention them as we go on. So this is the first one, pay per sale. Now, when we talk about pay per sale, okay, when we talk about pay per sale, here you earn commission for each sale that is made. Okay, so from every purchase that your customers, your audiences or your followers make from that service that you are promoting, you earn a commission. So you only earn commission when they make a purchase. That is why it is called a pay per sale affiliate system or program. Now, this is common with the e-commerce offers. Okay, this is very common with what e-commerce offers, like the Amazon associate offers, for instance. You only earn when someone buys product from Amazon using your referral or affiliate link. Okay, so ecstasy is also an example. So let me write some of the examples for you to see. So we take this guy. Examples of search programs include Amazon Associate. We will talk about this when we go on in this thing. We have eBay, and so on. Okay, so 2 is enough just for you to understand the kind of thing we are talking about. Now, the second The second type is what? Is called pay per action. Pay per action. All right, that is the second type. Or the second way that affiliates get paid. Okay. So now, what do we mean by this? Under this particular model of payment, you are paid a commission when a specific action, okay, is taken by the customer. Now, this model of payment is used a lot by affiliate programs because it's a broad model and can be applied in different offers. Okay, so when we take different offers, we can what apply this particular what method. The affiliate program can apply this method of what payment. So anytime your referrals perform an action, we call it call to action. So maybe they are to sign up on a particular service. Just sign up. Okay, you don't need to buy, just sign up. And then once they do that, you the affiliate, you get paid. Maybe some of them, they are just to enter their emails, okay, and then submit. Once they do that, you get paid. And as we go on, you will see that you will see this pay per action, it will be broken down into other things. But let's look at some examples of such offers. This include what? Newsletter signups. Okay, so this include newsletter signups. Also, we have what we call a click. Okay, maybe the person only need you to click on their website link. Okay, they only need people to click on their website. So another one is form submission. Okay, I think 3 is okay. Form submission. Okay, these are the kind of what offers that fall under pay per action. All right, let's move on to the next one, and let's look at the third one, which is pay per install. Okay, you are being paid for every installation that your followers make. Okay, that is pay per install. That is how we call it. That is how we call this kind of affiliate marketing program. Okay, you the affiliate, you get paid when your followers install an app or a software. Install an app or a software. All right, so once they do that, the program, okay, the program or the site pays you your commission. So here, what it means is that you are paid for every installation done by customers you refer. So in this case, the goal of your content is to promote mobile apps. So take note of that. That is the goal. You need to promote mobile apps and softwares for people to download and pay per lead. Okay. Pay per lead. Now, what this method does is it does something we call leads generation. There is something we call sweepstakes. Okay, as we go on, I will explain what sweepstakes and those things are in the subsequent lessons. Okay, and then other types of offers. Now, this is one of the most popular payout methods because it pays you whenever someone signs up. Okay, you hear that? Whenever someone signs up, that's why we call it leads generation, because the people collect the information of those that signs up and use it to what? To promote, to advertise their product. They'll send emails to them. Okay, so that is one. Another one is just them allowing people to sign up to their service for free, just to maybe test the service. That's why we call it what? Leads generation. Now, for beginners, this cost per lead offers are easier to promote and generate leads than promoting products that require purchase from the customer. So there is nothing like purchase. The person is just to sign up. That is a free sign up. They are mostly free sign-ups. Okay, the person don't need to pay anything. So beginners see this as an opportunity to make what is the name? Quick money and easy advertisement. So this has to do with us signing up. So sign-ups. Then the last one we will look at, that is the fifth one, is called the pay per click. Pay per click. Okay, so pay per click. That is the last one we are going to look at. That is the fifth method. The fifth method. All right. The fifth method. The fifth method. Now, here this one is very interesting because here you are being paid for every click that anybody clicks on the affiliate link. So once the person click on your affiliate link, I think some will say for every 500 clicks, we are paying you this. For every 1,000 clicks, we are paying you this. For every 2,000 clicks, we are on just clicks on your link, your affiliate link, they are paying you for it. Now, let me explain this better. So this payment type is rare, okay, or less common. Very rare. It's not very common. Okay. Here you earn commission when people click on your affiliate link, and even if they don't sign up or do any buying at all, you get paid for it. Now, these pay-per-click programs are used by big merchants or companies with a goal to build what we call brand awareness. This is why it is rare. Okay, it is very, very rare and it's not very common. All right. So this one is for what? Awareness building. Okay, before I say the last thing, if this is your first time here on the channel, do well to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon and also like this video, share it with your friends. And if you are getting value from this content, type hashtag affiliate marketing in the comment section. Okay, so the last thing I'll say here is that you should note that how much an affiliate can make is dependent on the niche in which you are promoting. Okay, so I'll talk about niche. I think that will be in the next lesson also. I'll be talking about what we call niche and how to pick a niche. Okay, so we are now getting deeper and deeper into the whole thing. All right, now from my personal research, I found out that business related affiliate programs pay more. Okay, they tend to pay the highest commission. That is programs that are business related. Okay, and I'll give you an example of those programs when we are looking at what affiliate marketing programs in the subsequent lesson. So guys, that brings us to the end of lesson 5, and I'm going to see you in lesson 6. Okay, so I'll see you guys in lesson 6 in the coming day. I think that will be tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be available, so I'll be able to upload your next lesson. Well, have a nice day or evening or morning wherever you are watching me from. I am out. Bye-bye.